This is a dumbbell plie squat. You want a medium to heavy weight because we want to engage our glutes, our hamstrings, our quads, and all our lower body. So what you want to do is grab the plie, you're going to grab your dumbbell, you want to bend down, contract your core, and then you're going to grab it. So for the form for this is you're going to grab it in between on the top of the dumbbell, open your legs, plie it out, that's why it's called a plie squat, and then you're going to come down slowly to your range of motion, squeeze your glutes, come back up with that nice squeeze and release. So you're going to come back down, hover the dumbbell over the ground, squeeze your glutes and come back up. So the breathing would be breathing in, breathing out on the way up because of the exertion. Breathing in, breathing out. So you have a nice squeeze in the glutes and you're getting the inner thighs. Very slow and controlled the heavier you go. And release. So there you go. When you release it, just drop the dumbbell just like that and you are finished. And that is your dumbbell plie squat.